Well, I've run into a bee problem. Trying to clean the Jeep. There's wasp nests in this wheel well. See that thing back there? There was a big nest where that one's floating around yesterday, right in the corner, but I got it out. Those little bastards won't leave though. I sprayed down a bunch of them, but one's over there. There's one on the wheel. I'm gonna get all that out. Hopefully you just do not get... Whew. Trying to find that nest. See what I can do here. Well, I just finished the Grand Cherokee. It's a really hot day today. It's too hot to wax, and so I just put a little bit of spray detailer on it. And the bees are still swarming around that tire. I think there's another nest inside the well somewhere, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I'm pretty much done anyway. It turned out really nice. Got all those rusty, brake dust covered wheels clean. It's got a nice shine to it. I dressed all the plastic cladding across the bottom. I didn't do the engine on this one either because there's no point since it's blown anyway. Cleaned out the doors. Got the interior really clean. Carpet's all vacuumed out. No more trash. Got it nice and dusted. It was a real challenge to get this carpet cleaned. Back here is just awesome. Look at that. No more sugar. Had to take the tire out and spray down all in there. I'd say it's an improvement. There's more bees flying around. Oof! I hate those things. That's another reason why I'm getting done with this thing, is that it's swarming around it almost. I disturbed their resting place. This thing's been sitting here about 6 or 8 months or so. I guess I should have expected it. Pulled up the door sills too to get up under the edge of the carpet. All in all, turned out pretty well, I do say.